So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I'm going to show you how to make this. This is lemon curd. And as far as I know, it's from England. And it's really delicious. And I've bought it many times before, but I've never tried it before. So today, I'm going to take you on my journey on making lemon curd. I almost want to say the perfect lemon curd, because this is really yummy. Alright, so to make the lemon curd, of course the main ingredient being lemons, most recipes will tell you to zest the lemons. So what I'm going to do though, is I'm going to basically peel the lemons and make sure to remove this pith. So if you get the pith, the white part, you can always scrape it off like this. And I want to leave the peels whole because all recipes say strain it after you finally grate the lemon peel. And so I'm just like, that's a lot. And plus I don't have a strainer. Alright, so I've scraped off the pith to save the peel. Alright, now that we have the lemon peel zested, I'm going to go ahead and cut my lemons in half. Well, first we want to roll our lemons. And we want to do this to kind of break up the pulp and stuff so it'll be easier to juice. Alright, so we have a container there, and we're going to juice our lemons. See how that just comes right out? All that juice comes right out of the lemon. Because we rolled it. And you always want to take your zest off first, because taking the zest off of a lemon that's been reamed is not an easy task. Believe me, I made that mistake before. So in my saucepan here, I have 1 3/4 cup of butter, 1 1/4 cup of sugar. I have a little over 3/4 cup lemon juice. And if your lemons don't make enough juice, just add a little water. I just added a pinch of salt. And make sure I didn't miss anything. And my egg yolks are going to go in there. And my zest. I need to add the zest. Okay. So here's my zest. So, according to a lot of recipes I read, everything just goes in. You put it on a low flame. And this pot has a thick bottom. So it's important that you have a thick bottom pot. Or you can do a double boiler if you don't have a thick bottom pot. Alright, so that was 8 egg yolks I put in there. 8 large egg yolks. And so, of course, we got to wait till the butter melts. Alright, to show you how low of a flame I have it on, you can see the butter is still floating. It kind of looks like a banana floating in there, huh? Interesting. Eight minutes in, and I can tell it's starting to get thick. It said it would take 10 minutes on the various places I checked. So I did kind of use a different ratio of ingredients. So we will see if I messed up doing the different ratios. Because, you know, when I was doing my research on it, different places were using different ratios and a few different techniques. But I wanted to show you a technique that would work for someone who is just learning how to cook. Okay. So if you do want to zest your lemon peels, you can zest it. You know, you don't have to peel your lemon like an apple like I did. Alright. Yeah, you can tell the lemons are looking, not the lemons, but the lemon peels are looking a little more translucent. And you can see that this part, the juice and the eggs are getting a lemony yellow. Okay, so we've been 9 minutes in now. Yep, see how they're starting to look translucent? Can't really get those out right now, and I don't want to stop stirring. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes in. I think it's going to take a little longer than 10 minutes though. Not much though. But it's getting there. And then you let it sit and it gets even thicker. And oh, lemon curd is so good, y'all. I just love me some lemon curd. Lemon curd. Alright, so it's been 12 minutes now. I'm going to do my test with my spoon. So let's see. Okay, see how I put that line in there with my finger? That means it's done. So let me do that one more time because I think I did it off camera. See that? That means it's done because I was able to put that line in there. Alright, let me get it off the heat. Oops. Good thing I washed my hands when I was doing that. Not a problem. Look, so my hands are going to get sticky. Not a problem. I have running water. Alright, now we're going to transfer our product while it's still hot because it'll be really runny, but it's going to get thicker. And I'm going to go ahead and run it through this. So I don't have a fine sleeve, but I do have this strainer, which will help me get out those lemon peel. Where if I had just, you know, zested the lemon peel, it would have been a hot mess trying to get them out. So they say this can last up to 2 weeks. One resource I looked up said, dang, what was that? Like 1 month. I don't know if I would trust that, but 2 weeks I could see, because with the sugar and the lemon juice, it's going to slow down the process of it going bad. Alright, but that doesn't mean that's going to last forever. So let me go ahead, I'm going to dig that one out. So there are my pills right there. So I'm going to save those and make a tea tomorrow out of it. Yummy, yummy. Alright. Now, they say you want to put plastic wrap over that, I guess so film doesn't form. I tasted it. I'm going to actually lick my little thing here. Oh my gosh. That is probably some of the best lemon curd I've had. So I'm going to go ahead and put a plastic wrap over this, and then I'm going to put the lid on. Okay, bad news. I have no plastic wrap, but that's alright. Because you know what? A little skim never hurt nobody. Alright, so there we go. We got our lemon curd in there. Well, it is morning time, and I thought I would show you real quick how my lemon curd came out, and put it on some toast points. And toast points is just basically toast that's been cut into tiny triangles. So let me get a couple toast points. I think we're going to make about 2 cups of tea. There we go. So we'll let that soak while we're making our toast points with lemon curd. Or make it sound even better, oven toasted toast points. Alright, so let's see. So the skim it's not too bad. So let's go ahead and put a little bit on a toast point. Does that look great? It's really good. So that's my lemon curd right there. So thank you for joining me for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for stopping by.